flood watch now in effect from Saturday afternoon through Sunday night. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a flood watch, which is in effect from Saturday afternoon through Sunday night. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Berry, Eden, and Kalamazoo. Timing: flooding may start near Saturday afternoon and may continue until Sunday night. A flood watch means that flooding may be occurring or may be possible. If flooding starts, please move up to higher ground. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8:25 p.m. for Kalamazoo County, Michigan. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a flood watch, which is in effect from Saturday afternoon through Sunday night.